Tired of typing URLs every time you want to go home in DuckDuckGo? Enable the hidden home button in under 30 seconds. It is such a small thing, but it makes browsing feel so much more natural. You just tap, and you are back where you started. No more fumbling, no more scrolling through bookmarks or manually typing in the address bar. I will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to customize its position. Let us dive in. So, first things first, make sure your DuckDuckGo browser is open. It does not matter what page you are on. Just have the app up and running. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that. A side panel will slide out with a few options. What you want to do here is tap on Settings. It is usually near the bottom of that list. Once you are inside the settings page, you will notice a sidebar on the left. It has different categories like privacy, appearance, and so on. Click on General. This is where the basic, everyday browser settings live. In the General tab, just start scrolling down with your finger. You will pass a few options, but what you are looking for is the section labeled Home Page. It should be pretty obvious once you see it. Right there, underneath that Home Page section, you will see an option called Home Button. By default, it is probably set to None or Off. That's why you haven't seen it before. Tap on the drop-down menu right next to that Home Button option. A little list will pop up with your choices. You have 2 options here. You can show it left of the back button or right of the reload button. It is really just a matter of personal preference. I have tested both positions, and honestly, it comes down to where your thumb naturally rests. If you are holding your phone in your right hand, the left of the back button might feel more convenient. If you're left-handed, the right side might be easier. Play around with it. Make your selection. The menu will close automatically. Now, here is the satisfying part. Let us go back to the main browser screen. To do that, just hit that back arrow in the top left corner of the settings page, or you can just swipe it away. Look at the toolbar at the bottom. There it is. You should now see a little house icon. That is your new home button. It blends right in with the other buttons. Go ahead and tap it. It should instantly take you to your DuckDuckGo start page. No typing, no searching. Just one tap and you are home. If for any reason the button is not in the spot you like, do not worry. Just repeat the steps we just went through. Go back to Settings, click on General, scroll down to the Home button dropdown, and pick the other position. It takes about 10 seconds to change. And that is it. You have now got a proper home button on your DuckDuckGo browser. It's one of those small quality-of-life changes that just makes the app feel complete. Give it a try and see how much time it saves you.